Hey guys, welcome to Tricks. Today we are going to learn a trick to remember the name of the countries which are present in important international organizations. First, SAARC. The countries in this organizations are Maldives, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Afghanistan, India and Nepal. To remember the name of these countries, just remember amphibious pain. Suppose a SAARC, that is a shark I am talking about, the fish, bites a surfer. Where does it go? It goes to MBBS, that is a doctor, and is in pain. So SARC MBBS pain, you can correlate it. And each letter like M for Maldives, B for Bhutan, B for Bangladesh, S for Sri Lanka, P for Pakistan, A for Afghanistan, I for India, and N for Nepal. Now let us move to ASEAN. The countries are Brunei, Philippines, Laos, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, Myanmar, Cambodia, and Singapore. Now concentrate on ASEAN. It rhymes with Asia. There is China in it. I'm just making a correlation between BPL TV mimics, that is the trick, and ASEAN. Asia rhymes with ASEAN. Asia has China in it. Chinese mobiles mimic the Apples and the Samsungs. This way you can relate. ASEAN, Asia, China. China mimics products. Now, what does this mean? BPL TV mimics. If you remember, 10 or 15 years earlier, there was a TV company BPL. Amitabh Bachchan used to do the ad for this TV. Suppose this TV was very famous at that time. Now, they have gone out of the business. Now, they want to reinvent themselves. So, what they are doing? They are mimicking the new TV style and new TV, new LED panels. So, BPL TV mimics ASEAN. Asia constitutes China, China mimics. So that way you can relate. Now let us move to G7 members. Germany, USA, UK, Russia, Japan, Italy, Canada and France. Now the trick to remember is Guruji Chale France. If you don't know Hindi, you can make your own trick in English constituting these letters. Each letter will represent a country, each big letter. Now here R will be silent. It will represent Russia, which was earlier there. Now it has been removed. G for Germany, U for USA, U for UK, J for Japan, I for Italy, C for Canada, France for France. Now let us move to SCO members. The countries in SCO are Russia, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, China, Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan. Now concentrate on Russia and truck. What is common between Russia and truck? Oil. Russian economy is based on oil and trucks run on oil. Just remember truck with extra K and you will be able to remember all these countries. T will stand for Tajikistan, R for Russia, U for Uzbekistan, C for China, K for Kazakhstan and K for Kyrgyzstan. Now let us move to G5 countries. This is the easiest trick. If you remember BRICS, just remove Russia and bring Mexico and you have the G5 members. China, Mexico, India, Brazil, South Africa are the members. If you want to remember in some other way, there is a trick CM IBSA to remember these two words and you will be able to remember. Now let us move to the next international organization, that is UNO permanent members. Many of you must be knowing this already. The countries are France, Russia, England, China and America. These are the countries which bully the whole world. So it is easy to remember them. The biggest 5 countries of the world. If you want a trick, FRECA is the trick. So France, FRECA, UNO members. So thanks for watching. I'll be making similar videos. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Have a nice day.